Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. You need a Google account, an active cloud project, and billing enabled so APIs can bill usage. Once signed in, create or select a project. This isolates keys and quotas. Make sure billing is associated with that project. Without it, the Maps APIs won't activate. Now navigate to the Cloud Console's APIs section. You're ready to enable services. Proceed immediately to the APIs library to pick the Maps products you'll use, and keep billing visible for verification. Once the project and billing are set, enable the exact Maps platform APIs you need. Maps JavaScript, geocoding places, so you only pay for what you use. Next, go to Credentials and create an API key. Name it clearly for development versus production. Critically, immediately add restrictions. Use HTTP referrers for web, IP addresses for servers, or mobile package identifiers for apps. This prevents unauthorized use. Finally, note usage limits and set daily quotas now to control costs and avoid surprises. To finish, add the API key into your app or SDK according to platform guidance. Keep keys out of public repositories and use environment variables or a secrets manager. Then configure quotas and alerts in Cloud Console so you catch spikes early and control costs. If something breaks, first verify billing is active, the specific Maps API is enabled, and your key restrictions match your usage pattern. Check returned error codes for causes. If issues persist, rotate the key and test with a minimally restricted key to isolate the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.